Absolutely stunning. So freaking natural. Wig wear. Wig wear.
Simply Cheryl, simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me. She got a vibe for you.
Hey guys, Shell here. Welcome back, my dear. So excited because today I'm going to be showing you and experimenting with a new wig. Yes, I said a wig. We are here to do all things. Many of you guys know that I recently did a big chop back in January, so I have really been enjoying and loving the length of my hair. I'm in my short hair era and I'm loving it. Let's introduce her, shall we? The video is actually sponsored by HerGivenHair, so shout outs to HerGivenHair. Before we even unbox her, how cute and aesthetic is this box? I just love how elegant this box looks. Beautiful card inside. Also comes with a products instruction book, which is pretty nice. This is what she's looking like. Don't worry, we're gonna get her right. She's been a little smushed in the box. This is the 14-inch, which is very short for me, coming from somebody who has always had really long hair. And I'm excited to try her on with you guys. Not only is she short, but she has bangs. She got a bang. I haven't rocked bangs since relaxer days, and that's the only time I really rocked is when my hair was bone straight in a silk press. But this should be fun and interesting. This is an 8 a.m. Effortless full wig. Yes, I said a full wig. There's no lace. There's no glue. There's no headache. There's no hassles. There's no damage. There's no breakage. That's what I love. It's very easy for installation because you guys know I have nothing to do with installation. Any of that. Wait, hold on. Peep the scalp. Giving natural scalp. Waste too much time. We're going to get right into it. I'm going to reveal what's underneath this. My head scarf. Boom. Not too much, not too much. I said I cut my hair back in January 2025. My hair was to my booty and I did a short bob. I'm not talking about like a bob right here. I mean, I cut her like right here. So the fact that I'm able to even get her into some straight backs, it's just giving growth. Keeping my hair in braids, just protecting it and greasing it when I need to. And not really feeling my best going outside like this if need be. But now that she's in my life, we still gonna be protected and we still gonna be a baddie. Like, y'all see what I'm saying? Fluff her out, because I feel like with me, anytime I do my hair, even when my hair was at a longer length, I love big hair. I don't care about definition too much. I feel like my best self when my hair is bigger and it's full. We want the volume. But step one, in order for me to get the voluminous look for any style, whenever I do a wash and go, I always go in with a pick. This gets you right every single time. So I think we should just fluff her out, if nothing else. And let's get her formed first. Of course, I'm going to put her on my head, but let me just play with her real quick. I start from the roots and I just pull. We got a full wig right here, okay? And then of course you have the combs. There's 4 combs so that it can, you know, fit your head properly and comfortably. Let's put her on. I got a little baby peanut head, so I gotta make sure. We're gonna find a spot and we're gonna grip it. Obviously, this is what it looks like before you play with it, before you fluff it, and so on and so forth. When we gonna get her right, like, just wait for it. We're gonna fluff her like she's supposed to be fluffed. I need volume. I'm not used to having bangs. But one thing I can say, and I know you all can understand my pain, as mothers on the go and having to go to work or so on and so forth, this is clutch because most times we are rushing to get ourselves together to get out the door and nobody has time to sit in that bathroom for a whole 2 hours to figure out what we're going to do with our hair. Sometimes not a guarantee that your hair is going to be a win anyway. You got to figure out another style and that can throw off your whole mood for the day. Throw her on and call it a day. And I'm here for that because I'm a mother of 3 children. I wear many hats and I'm always on the go. So most times I don't feel like doing my hair. And most times I'm trying to keep my hair protected because I am on my hair growth journey. So this is clutch, you know what I mean? This is perfect for people that like to go to the gym and it's beginner friendly. This would be my example of me just rushing. Like I have like 20 minutes to get ready. I want to show you how easy, how natural. This is a shorter look than what I'm used to, but I would definitely throw on my like bigger earrings if I can find some. Adding accessories, especially when your hair is short, definitely can make a big difference in your hairstyle. Without a doubt. Like throw some accessories on, some lipstick or whatever. I'm not really a fan too much of the bangs because I'm not a bang type of chick. But this is what she looks like from the back. I'm gonna play around and see what she looks like if we were to add some water and a little bit of like conditioner, you know what I mean? Just to see if the curls would become more defined. So we're gonna spray her some. Just doing the same steps that I would do normally if I was to style a wash and go on my natural hair. And then I'm just gonna follow up with a leave-in. Wig feels so natural, I can't even take it, especially once I applied the leave-in. Wow, it literally feels like my actual hair. And that's what we want. That is the goal. Look how natural. Because let's just be real, there's some women I've seen, and I'm sure you've seen too, who just throw anything on their head. If you're gonna wear something, you wanna wear it to represent you and make it look as authentic as possible. So I love that it makes me feel like it's my actual texture. I love how soft it feels. It just glides nice and smooth. So these are some good strands, okay? I'm here for it all. I'm gonna go step by step, you know, and just play with each part to moisturize, to hydrate, and see if it makes a difference once I apply the product. Because I feel like the first part of me just throwing it on, that's cool and everything, but I don't feel like that's actually me. I need a little bit of moisture in my hair. All my ladies who wear wigs, do you prefer shorter wig, or do you prefer length? Do you prefer kinky, or do you prefer like a looser curl? Cool to like switch it up, you know what I mean? Because you could be whoever you want to be when you have a wig on. It just brings out the better version of yourself when you have it on. Also noticing as I'm like pulling and like tugging, because I'm a little heavy handed, a little rough in the scalp, the wig is not going anywhere. And that's one of my biggest fears, having a wig on, going out, trying to be cute, trying to swing my head, and the wig falls off. It's a possibility, it can definitely happen. Don't matter, you're never too cute or never too confident. She's not going anywhere. Quality over quantity. As you can see, when I add product, it gives it more of a less poofy style, but we're gonna let it dry, of course. You can clearly look at it and see how defined this side is. This side just looks, I need some type of hydration. That's it, period. Not only did I go in with a leave-in, I did go in with a little bit of my gel, because I feel like gel is gonna give me the hold that I need for the entire day. I love the definition that it gives when I add gel to my hair, so I'm a gel girly, okay? It literally gives my exact hair down to the porosity. Like, it's definitely giving low porosity. Y'all look at this water sitting on top. If this ain't my hair, if this is not a duplicate of my hair, I don't know what to tell you, baby. She's giving like baddie. She's bouncy. We have a little bit more length. It's more elongated since I added the gel. And this gives more of like a natural look for me, how I would normally style my hair on a daily basis. I just love the curls. I love the way it feels. To top it off, there's no lace. Like, this was a effortless style, and I'm here for all of that because, like I said, my schedule is always very hectic. I'm always on the go. 9 times out of 10, I just throw my hair in a raggedy bun, or sometimes I'll just throw a bonnet on, honestly. Without the products, it was definitely giving, that's a little bit too, messy, but that's definitely a style for like, we got to get these kids to the bus in like 5 minutes, so we're just gonna throw something on and we gonna go. I didn't even feel like I have a wig on, to be honest. I've tried glueless wigs, I've tried headband wigs, and it gave more weight when I was putting those on, but this is light. It feels light. It feels like I don't have anything on my head. It's giving wig wear, like, where? That looks better. Now I can see. We done trimmed the bangs. Now we're gonna let her dry completely. I'll come back and show you guys my final thoughts and all that and all that. This is the final look of her. What do you guys think? I think she's tea. Okay, I feel like myself. I love that it gives natural in every aspect. It doesn't feel like I'm changing myself too much, but just adding to it. I love how fluffy and full and just natural it just looks. I feel like I'm in my actual element, and I love the fact that my natural hair is still being protected at the same time, so I can still be a baddie but yet still be taking care of the health of my hair. And I think that is so important that us women are able to have the versatility of different styles without damaging our hair. You can actually get used to the bangs, even though I'm not really a fan of it. But again, with this wig, you can play around with it. So you don't have to just keep it like this. You can actually tie it back with a headband if you're a gym baddie or whatever. Just running, moving around in general, you know what I mean? I don't really have anything to say about it that I disliked, to be honest. I would actually say it's just to give me a little bit more length, but again, to doing things that are different instead of sticking to things that I'm comfortable doing. If that makes sense, change is always good for us, and it just helps us to keep improving, also to build our confidence. So you guys definitely need to check this out, because a lot of times we let our hair stop us from doing things. I know that's one of my biggest excuses. If I have plans to go somewhere and my hair does not cooperate, I'm not going. I'll cancel the whole plans. So this is something that you can just grab and go, wash and go, date nights, work, school affairs. Whatever it is you have planned for your day-to-day, you can just grab it and go and not have to have the hassle of gluing your hair or just having to install and just a lot of things that we just don't have time for because of our schedules. Grab and go. Literally grab and go, wash and go, shake and go, put it on, and she's cute. No lace all summer. We outside being baddies all summer. And the best thing about it is that at the end of the day, you can take her off and put her right in this beautiful bag that they provided, okay? Nice silk bag that they provided. There's also some extra goodies if your band happens to break, and also some extra combs as well. So you are stacked and prepared, sis, okay? You are prepared. Give your scalp a break from the blow drying, the coloring, the pulling, the heat. Give yourself a break. Texture for everybody. They not only have full wigs, but they also have clip-ins, half wigs, and hair extensions. They have a little bit of everything. Check out their website if you're interested. I will link everything down in the description below. But let me know what you think. What does this give when you see your girl with bangs? If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you purchased. A shout out to HerGivenHair for sending this to your girl, because you just made my life so much better, and now I don't have to worry about the hassle. And I'm just embracing it. Love you guys, and I'll catch you in my next upload.
Simply Michelle.